Thought I'd give you guys a quick walk around of the hot sauce and cleaning it up for a car show later today. Look at those wheels shining. This is something I haven't done in a while. Look at the jams on this car. Looks like I just fucking bought it. Those were dirty as a motherfucker. But yeah, just getting it cleaned up on the inside. Got all that stuff done. Got the VMS bead locks. Those are freaking sweet. Got to clean back here. This is still a dirty mess. We'll get to that sooner or later. And yeah, look at these, man. I cleaned the jams and all that. Looks clean as hell. That's what I'm talking about. Even got like the dash cleaned up. Like all the interiors clean. Look at that stuff. The radio. Even got part of the engine bay kind of clean. Look at this. I got some of the dirt and grime off of here. Making this all pretty. Hope I get paid for this there. Probably not. But hey, it is what it is. So thought I'd show you guys. Hope you guys enjoy. Have a good day.